digitization, individualization, and sustainability. These were the key topics at ICE Europe 2019. 7,150 visitors from 75 countries, and the more than 460 exhibitors presented future-orientated and, above all, individual solutions. The mechatronic concept design from Siemens makes it possible, for example, to simulate the construction of machines. This way, manufacturers can digitally configure and present the individual machine. Every customer wants to have their own individual product. We are in a position to offer the machine builder tools, applications and prefabricated solutions through our toolboxes, and to build machines as efficiently as possible that can react very flexibly to customer requirements. A major challenge for the industry is the new guidelines regarding the sustainability of materials and production processes. Exhibitors showed solutions for this challenge through digital production. The machine data allows production to be more efficient and also more sustainable. It is important to follow the process either offline, as we show here, or online of the products that use these machines and monitor the quality continuously to guarantee high quality for the end customers. Once again this year, the ICE Awards were presented to particularly innovative companies. In the 4 categories: digital converting solutions, sustainable production and processing, efficient production solutions, and innovative specialty films, there were a total of 37 nominees. The company Nepeta was the winner in the sustainable production category. It has developed a film separator that separates the film from the backing paper for self-adhesive films. The customer is happy about cost savings because the disposal of PVC together with siliconized paper is very expensive, because it has to be incinerated. And with the use of our machine, they can sell the pure PVC, and the environment is happy because less PVC is produced, and the existing material can be recycled, which is technically very possible. The production and use of special films is an important growth market for the converting industry. For the first time, at this year's ICE, the special film and extrusion area was an area dedicated to this topic.
It's very important for the leading show of its industry sector to also present new trends and new opportunities for growth in emerging market segments.
Solutions for the challenges of the present and the future. ICE Europe in Munich.